Greetings, good people. It's T. Wiley Law. Let's unpack this lawsuit between Kevin Hart and Tasha K. So, it is actually a 21-page lawsuit where Kevin Hart and Kevin Hart Enterprises has filed suit against Miesha Shakes, who was his former assistant. She was employed by him between 2017 and 2020, and against Tasha K in her studios. It is noted that in the lawsuit, they make a little bit of a shady statement, just bringing to light that Tasha K is known for making inflammatory statements against celebrities. So in 2020, once Ms. Shake was no longer employed with them, she did sign a mutual release between both parties. There seems not to be any bad blood that happened at that time. And she also signed the NDA, which is a non disclosure agreement outlining exactly what she could not talk about based on information that she gathered while she was employed with them. The interview between Tasha K and the assistant Miesha Shakes was actually recorded just a month ago in November of 2020. The suit claims that any statements that she made, whether true or false, was in violation of her non disclosure agreement. It does not specify which of her statements were actually true, but it does say that a lot of her statements were false and defamatory against Kevin Hart and Kevin Hart Enterprises. During her interview, Maisha actually claims that there are loopholes in her NDA that allows her to share the information that she shared during the interview. So that will definitely be an interesting point if this does go to trial, what those loopholes are and whether or not that actually allows her to share all of the information that she shared in this interview. The filing states that an unidentified person contacted Kevin Hart Enterprises via telephone, let them know that they had an interview, that they had recorded the interview, some of the information that she shared, that they thought that that information would be damning to Kevin Hart and his company, and that if they did not want the interview to be released, that they would need to pay Tasha K $250,000. So this unidentified person claims they worked for Tasha K. So that has not yet been proven, but that is what is claimed in the lawsuit. Once Tasha K posted the teaser of the interview, Kevin Hart took that as a threat, as the lawsuit states, that once they saw the teaser, they considered that a threat, that they needed to pay, or the full interview would be released. Kevin Hart did contact the police. He also contacted his legal team to have them send over a cease and desist letter to Tasha K, stating that the assistant had violated her non disclosure agreement by doing this interview and demanded that the interview not be posted. Tasha K did reply, stating that the interview would be posted on her website and if they wanted to see it in its entirety, that they would pay her monthly subscription fee. The actual causes of action in this lawsuit are civil extortion against Tasha K and this unidentified representative trying to hold the interview ransom, requesting 250K for the interview. Breach of contract by Miesha Shakes, stating that she did violate her non-disclosure agreement. Intentional interference with contractual relations, invasion of privacy, and defamation. So, let me know your thoughts. Do you think that the assistant violated her non disclosure agreement? Do you think that Tasha K is now just an easy target to get sued? Do you think that she's even responsible for somebody else violating their agreement? And do you think that this was a good idea for Kevin Hart to pursue this lawsuit or just let the interview post and let people speculate like they're going to do anyway? Let me know your thoughts below. Until next time.